But let's look at crypto. Bitcoin since 2015 went from $198 to $68,915 as of the 10th of November. That's a 34,000% gain. Now think about that for a moment. If all of Wall Street had put their money into Bitcoin, they'd be swimming in it right now. But they didn't. You had an opportunity to do so. And everyone out there did, because again, Bitcoin is available all over the world. There's over 300 exchanges. Let's look at Ethereum, the number 2 coin. Its growth since 2016, it went from $14 to $4,854 as of the 10th of November. Again, about 34,000% gain, just like Bitcoin, okay? Let's look at Luna, one that a lot of people haven't looked at or even maybe even heard of. It's one of my favorite ones. From December 26, 2021, until January 2021. So just over a year, that went from 67 cents to $103. That's 15,000% in 1 year. And there's many out there just like this. Now, think about that for a moment. Slightly better than the so-called experts managing your pensions, your mutual funds, your 401ks, all those experts. It makes you wonder if they've even got a clue. So here's the thing. I'm not going to make you sit through 60 minutes of training you don't need. Okay, so spoiler alert. I'm going to give you the secret right now. The secret to being a great trader, and it doesn't matter if this is the stock market or crypto, the secret to being a great trader is trading what we call trend phases. Now, this is key to consistent and predictable and even profitable returns from crypto. And it's only attainable through the Rebel Crypto Trader method I'm about to show you. Now, let's take a step back. Money flows like a river, and it's very, if you zoom out, you look at the river from an altitude, you can see exactly where it's going, and it's very continuous. Money flows like a river. Now, sometimes it's turbulent, sometimes it's rough, but many times you can predict where it's going by following what we call the money flow. Now, let's look at an example. I'm going to put up a chart, and it's a stock chart for Ethereum. Now, before I do, we're not caring about stock charts, even if you've never looked at one. We're not going to do anything complicated. It's just a picture, okay? So, doesn't matter about time frames, what's going on. I just want to ask you one question, and I want everyone to participate. Is it going up, down, or sideways? Now, we're zooming out. We're looking at a lot of data here, so it's just a graph. Is it going up, down, or sideways? Everyone, I want you to answer, because this is participation. This is your interactivity. You are going to learn something here that's going to make you 95% or better than 95% of traders out there. So up, or was up, down, or sideways? Time period doesn't matter. Tara, that's a great question. It doesn't matter. We're just looking at the picture as it stands. We're zooming out, looking at a lot of data. Just for reference, this is a daily on Ethereum, but that's irrelevant. Up. Okay, great. And it's okay. Everyone pretty much is saying up. That's great. And it's going, in general, you're absolutely dead on. You're right. It's going up from the bottom left to the top right. But, and you know there's a but here, let's dig a little deeper. If you look right here, for the most part, it's going sideways. Now, in general, it's going up inside that sideways bar, but then it breaks out, boom. It suddenly jumps up, it goes a little sideways, and then it goes up again. So now you can see that. We can dig a little deeper. So here's another one. This is Cardano. How about this one? Up, down, or sideways? With your new knowledge, look a little deeper. What are you seeing? Up, down, or sideways? Boom, sideways and up, sideways and up. Sideways, then up, sideways. Yeah, absolutely. You see, this should be a light bulb moment. What you're seeing is key. And you're right. A lot of people, yes, in general, it's going up, but everyone's saying sideways and up. And you're absolutely right. You're getting it. That's fantastic. Sideways, then up, sideways, then up. And you're seeing these little jumps, these big breakout moves. This is key. What about this one? Up, down, or sideways? What do you see here? This is Cardano, a slightly different period. What do you see this time? What do you see this time? Looking in general, boom, down, then sideways. Valerie, you got it. Down, boom. Valerie, you're answering the questions. You're in the questions box. That's where we do our communications. Down and sideways, down and side. You guys are freaking awesome. You're getting it. You're getting it. This already makes you way, way better than most traders. I'll prove it to you in a second. But yes,